Hello guys, so the problem has been resolved now. Please read the description for what has happened and what I did to fix it. But let me just explain to you quickly. Earlier the fork was not, the throw bearing was not clicking to the pressure plate. By that I mean that the clutch fork was able to move freely and was not fully flush with the slave cylinder. And because of that, there was no pedal feel. Once I pressed on the clutch pedal, it would simply just drop to the floor. And I was about to pull out the engine again until people on the forums just told me to slam the fork back in. As I was slamming it, it wasn't really clicking. So what I decided to do was move this slave cylinder nipple out of the way, and with my other hand I slammed the fork back and I heard a click. The click means that the throw bearing connected with the pressure plate. And after that I had the second problem where the clutch fork was too far back, that the nipple was pretty much out over here on the side. To resolve that problem, I grabbed a pair of vice grips, locked that into place like that. Had my dad or someone that could help you go in front of the car and pull this towards the front of the car, and the spring of the pressure plate will let it give enough room for you to move the nipple back. So yeah, that's how you fix that problem. That's if you know that for sure you installed the clutch properly, the pressure plate, and the throw bearing properly, because I know I did all that and I was about to pull the engine back all out, and I knew the only problem was that the throw bearing was not locking into place, and that's how you lock it in place on a 2002 Subaru WRX.